Hi there everyone, this is me Vijaya Dash and welcome back to my YouTube channel Vijaya.net. And how is it going? I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty, and I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty. And today, because of this happiness, there is a reason behind it. And today this entire lesson, this is not a lesson, this is not a teaching video although, but today I'm here to share about my achievement. Actually, you know that I started my YouTube journey 1 year ago, and finally I've got the Google AdSense of it. Okay, let me show you here. That is the achievement, actually, that the achievement of this 1 year. Actually, I've got the monetization for my YouTube channel 6 or 7 months ago, or maybe 5 months ago, but I haven't made any video about it. That I've got the monetization for my YouTube channel. I was like waiting that when I will get the Google AdSense, then I will make a video. And today some days ago I've got this Google AdSense for you, because if you didn't support me, so it wasn't possible for me to get this Google AdSense actually. And also there is another thing, the support of my family, especially my father. The support of my father, it was really great, and for that reason, I mean the support of your plus the support of my entire family, I've got this. And thank you so much for giving me this big achievement. Actually, I was trying a lot to get this achievement. Actually, when I was 7th grader, that time I joined on YouTube, and now I'm an 8th grader. Still I'm working on it. I hope you pray for me so that in the future I will be able to do something great for you. And for your prayers and for your support, today I've got this Google AdSense, and this is a big achievement for me. So thank you so much guys for supporting me a lot, and I hope in the future you will also support me. So after getting the monetization for my YouTube channel, I've got the pin verification later. I mean the Google AdSense is, you can also call it like pin verification later. And with the pin number of this Google AdSense, I'll be able to verify my YouTube channel. Then I'm done with my 1 year with YouTube. This is a great achievement for me, and everything has happened for you, because every time on Facebook, on YouTube, everywhere you're supporting me a lot guys. So I'm just requesting you guys to support me in the future a lot, so that in the future I'll be able to fulfill my ambition on YouTube, on my academic things. I'll be able to fulfill it. And there are another things that the people who haven't subscribed this channel yet, I'm requesting all of you to subscribe this channel. And after subscribe the channel, you can also press the bell icon if you want to get my more live video presentation. And yeah guys, I will also go live for my YouTube channel. And there is another thing, that if you want to get my more live presentations and more video presentations, you can also follow and like my Facebook page Vijaya English Presentation. Giving in the comment section, you'll be able to learn about the name of my Facebook page from there. And I hope you will also follow and like that Facebook page, and you will also support me there also. So thank you so much guys for supporting me a lot, and I'm requesting all of you to just subscribe the channel. So thank you so much for watching me and listening to me in a great attention, and thank you so much again for giving me a big achievement of Google AdSense. Thank you. See you until the next video. Till then, bye bye.